bipolar. Love is somebody that protect my energy from your hard aura. Let my past say I be my healer, everything I desire. I couldn't see my rhythm flow like a river. If you get a walk, come on, go and sit down. I go just para.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with my first wig again. The first thing I'm seeing is this drawstring bag. Gonna get into that, and then we have this Myfirstwig card. It has a lot of information on it, like, you know, how to care for your hair, your wig rather, and just a lot on the lace and construction of the wig and stuff. And then I got this little pouch branded as well. So let's see. I got these two clips. I always get these from Myfirstwig, and also this branded rat tail comb. Okay, so let's get into the drawstring bag, which is also branded. All right, so we're gonna get into this wig. Oh my gosh, I'm already so excited. I can tell it's a bob. All right, and I got basically the invoice with all the information and, you know, a pair of wig caps. And this is medium. This is like brown. Love that they sent this color. Yeah, this is today's wig. It is a gorgeous 10 inches bob. It's a silky, soft and smooth bob. That's how they describe the texture. It's Malaysian human hair. It's 1 to 2 years under care, and it is a medium cap. You guys know all the wigs I work with, it's always a medium cap. Okay, and it is 130% in density. We're working with a 13x6 Swiss lace. Again, a top tier lace, my favorite lace to work with. This is how the inside of the wig look. The construction has adjustable straps in the back, a comb here in the back, and 2 on the sides at the front. And then you have these adjustable straps, and it's branded Myfirstwig on the inside. I love that they already customized it so well. They pre-bleached it, and it's tinted. And as I said, 13x6, but mostly in the mid portion. On the sides, it's not as deep, so please make note of that. All right, so you can get a nice deep bust down parting. They also pre-plucked it. Okay, so what's so special about today's wig is that it is a pre-max wig. What that means is a 4-in-1. So you're getting a pre-cut lace, okay, pre-plucked hairline, you're getting a pre-bleached knots, and pre-styled. Basically, it comes really nicely straightened already, you know, like, you know me, how I am. I'm just gonna quickly run over it with my flat iron, but it comes pre-styled for you guys, so you have a very natural look with this. And you know, it's summer, it's the summer time, and I feel like it's perfect for this season because it's a bob. It is a bob, very convenient to wear, not too much hair, and it is easy to install because this is a glueless wig, so you need absolutely no adhesive. All right, you could install this wig 3 seconds, and that's it. 3 seconds, because I said it's a pre-max wig. Okay, it is a free part as well. You have a lot of lace space working with, you know, and I love the color job, very muted. If you want to dibble and dabble in a little bit of color, you don't want to go too bold, this is perfect for you. Perfect. Love the body, love the movement, the sheen, very believable. Yeah, so go on. So you know what, let's go ahead and get into this install. Let's go. Okay, so this is how it looks once I slip it on. Very natural looking, you know. This is the lace portion. It's pre-cut really nicely. I really don't need to take off any more of the front. You know, sometimes with the pre-cut laces, sometimes there'll still be a little, like just a tiny piece. There's nothing I need to take off. The only thing I need to do is take off just a tad bit of the ear portion, and I'm gonna be good. That's it. So you know the drill. It's a full-on lace front. So usually, you know, I just use a little bit of spray just to keep the sides down really laid, but everything else is perfect. It's laying perfect, snugged. So I absolutely love that. So I'm just doing a little bit of spray on both sides. I'm just gonna go ahead, get my elastic band to tie, to kind of get the sides in place. It's all secured at the sides now. Everything else completely glueless. I know this is gonna be a breeze for a lot of you girlies because, as I said, perfect for summer and not a lot of hassle to go ahead and install it, and everything is pretty much done for you already. So like, it's just so convenient. Imagine just dragging it on like this, and you know, just leaving it to just let it do it, have that supernatural vibe to it. Like, but you know me, I'm gonna go a little further. I'm gonna go a step further, and I'm just gonna kind of get my part in a little deeper, and I'm gonna run through it really quickly with my flat iron. Now you know we have to do that nice little deep part. Yes. So, and get my hot comb to lay that. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's it. Super easy. As I told you, it was just a quick run through the wig with my flat iron, and the bob is bobbing. Stiff wear. Honestly, I personally don't care for a bob that doesn't move like this. If it doesn't move like this, I don't want it. Okay? I think this is such an effortless bob. Like, it's so flawless. Myfirstwig did a really great job on constructing it. Yeah, I think it's a 10 out of 10. Okay, you looking for the perfect bob for summertime? Yeah, like glueless, completely glueless, don't forget. Okay, we just spray down the sides and everything is intact perfectly. All right, absolutely love it. Look at that. Look at that movement. Yeah, they did their thing. They did their thing. 10 out of 10 would recommend. As of right now, I'm getting absolutely no shedding. Bobs don't usually shed that easily, you know? It's usually really, yeah, it takes a while before, you know, you notice much shedding or any shedding. But yeah, when it's a good bob, okay? When it's a good bob. So, yeah, very quick, very easy, very to the point. Very much believe you could go ahead and install this wig in 3 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, because you know I did run through it with my flat iron. But say you do all of that, like you decide to go back over the entire wig with your flat iron, you could go ahead, do that, take it off, put it on your mannequin head, and when you're ready to wear it again, you don't have to do that, you know, because it's already styled, everything is already done. The next thing is, please be reminded that you could part this anywhere, so feel free to go ahead and change up the parting, because we are working with a gorgeous 13x6 wig. Okay, yeah, super flawless. So yeah, man, they did their thing. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link the first thing in my description box. That will be the first link in my description box, so go ahead, check it out. All the specifications will be listed down below. If there's any discount code, that will also be listed. Yeah, and all of this flawlessness without any edges, any baby hair. Okay, of course, if you want to go ahead and do that, feel free. If you want to even go ahead and install this with glue, feel free, because suppose you want to wear it for a prolonged period and you don't want to take it off, put it on, take it off, put it, you know, do you. But I'm just showing you that it is very convenient. You could go ahead and install it without any adhesive. So yeah, be sure to go ahead and check out my description box. Shout out to Myfirstwig once more. That's it for today's wig video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.